Achievement Award winner. And the reason for that is each year we like to honor a family that has really shown the most progress. And it's really hard to choose because each year it's really tough and I stayed out of the decision. But this year it wasn't hard because let me tell you a little something about Bobby. Dr. Davis has seen Bobby before he came out of the womb. Bobby was born while his mother was in a coma. Okay? Bobby went through a lot of operations. We call him the miracle child. And his mom is a miracle too, by the way. Bobby's diagnosis was so horrible, they didn't think he was going to speak. They didn't think he'd eat without a feeding tube. They didn't think he would be able to socialize with people. They said that Bobby was, and they're not supposed to say this anymore, but believe me, they still do. Don't be offended. They said that Bobby would never be anything but mentally retarded. Bobby is not only a handsome young man, as you can see, and can speak. Through the holistic services at East Sky Holistic Center and the diligence of his mom and consistency of his mom bringing him there, each time Bobby progressed, the doctors were forced to change his diagnosis and forced to change his prognosis. And that's what this is. So each time they changed it, he crossed something out. And so his mom. These are some pictures of Bobby. It doesn't even look like the same person. So as Bobby progressed, his pictures changed too. And we were just amazed by him. He inspires us every day. Bobby not only graduated from high school this summer, he's going to college. So, when the doctors say there's no hope, forget it, because we hear this all the time. We have families that come to us as a last resort, and they're always told, we can't help you. We've tried everything. And there's a family over here, Danielle, and their son was on it last year. They were told he was going to be nonverbal forever, and now he speaks. And he said, I love you to his dad last year. So I'm here to tell you, people like Dr. Davis and the Peace Valley Holistic Center, an amazing team that works there. Chip Ballou, our sound therapist, Denise Mansell, our nutritionist, who's your checkout and check-in girl today. These people make hope reality and make miracles happen. And without further ado, here is Bobby.
That was very good speech, indeed. Made me feel pretty good.
You should.
We've made this far, I love you guys. I really appreciate it.
What are you doing tonight, honey? I can't have you.
Nice, and